In today's video, I will walk you through how to check market statistics on WhiteBIT. Market statistics provide valuable information about how a cryptocurrency is performing. By reviewing these statistics, you can quickly understand price movements, trading activity, and other important market data before making trading decisions. To get started, access your WhiteBIT account and navigate to the Markets section. This is where you'll find all of the cryptocurrencies available for trading on the platform. Next, search for the cryptocurrency you're interested in by using the search bar or browsing through the list of available trading pairs. Once you've found it, click on the trading pair to open its market page. On the trading page, you'll see a variety of market statistics displayed alongside the price chart. These figures update automatically to reflect the latest market activity. One of the first statistics you'll notice is the current market price. This shows the latest price at which the cryptocurrency is being traded. You'll also find the 24-hour price change. This indicates how much the asset's price has increased or decreased over the past 24 hours, usually shown as both a percentage and a price difference. Another important statistic is the 24-hour trading volume. This represents the total amount of the cryptocurrency that has been traded during the last 24 hours and can help you understand how active the market is. These values give you a quick overview of the asset's daily price range and how much the market has moved throughout the day. As you continue exploring the trading page, you can also review additional information such as the order book, recent trades, and price chart. These tools work together with the market statistics to provide a more complete picture of current market conditions. And that's how to check market statistics on WhiteBIT.